Hi, how to capture a document information with TradingDocs.AI. First, we go to extractors and we define an extractor. In the extractor record, we define what is the information that we will be capturing and we will place it into which entity definition. So for this purchase order extractor for our purchase orders, we have two different entities defined. The first entity is PO entity, and it captures purchase order info, and it is not repeating. And the second entity is PO item. It is repeating because it's the line item of the purchase order, and we will capture by 10 items of 10 batches. So we define the extractor like this, and the entities we define here in the extracted data tab. So PO entity, we have defined, these are like previously captured values, and we define edit entity definition. Here we define the fields that we need to capture, and we also mention the formats, and and we we define basically all the data fields that we want to see after the capture. Then we go to a shipment, and we create a new shipment, and we pick the status, and we simply click save. This will create a shipment, and we double click on the shipment and it will load an area, and we see a drag and drop files here location. We simply find the file which is here, sample purchase order. So this is a sample purchase order we generated. It's the totally fictitious companies, and we simply drag and drop this purchase order to this area. So once the upload is complete, it will say files uploaded successfully, and it's going to immediately start processing this file. If this file is made of multiple purchase orders, one added one after the other, it will split those files, and we will see each individual file in the processed documents section below. So here it says splitted the file, and I select this one. I click capture. I select an extractor. This is our extractor which we define. I click capture, and data capture has begun. So it says extracted. So I go to capture tab, and here I go to PO. So this is the header information captured, and PO item. This is the detail information, the individual line items with their quantities, and the barcodes and the SKU values, all captured correctly.